Alright, so today we're looking at the Cub Cadet LTX1046 lawn tractor. This one, as you just saw under the hood, has a Kohler Courage 23 professional grade V-twin engine. Over here under the hood are some pertinent details and part numbers for different things that you'll use to maintain and upgrade and do some routine maintenance on it. Let's take a look, see if we can find a serial number or a model number on this thing. 50 years of Cub Cadet. There's the battery. And under here, there's the model number. Date of manufacture, there it is, 2011. So, alright. Let's see, it's got an adjustable seat. This is a hydrostatic. You've got lots of deck height options. You can tell this one has been stored outdoors. She's a little crusty looking. In fact, we got even a little green moss growing under the seat there. Anyway, the owner had me get it tuned up for the season. I sharpen the blades, change the oil filter, spark plugs, air filter, all that wonderful stuff. So, seems to be running in pretty good shape. Alright. So there you go, the Cub Cadet LTX1046 lawn tractor. Thanks for watching.